Time now for the financial week. Future energy source company FESCO became the first company to list on the junior market since the start of the year today. FESCO is also the first fuel distribution company to list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. FESCO raised $400 million in its IPO and now has a total of 4,495 shareholders.
And today we proudly declare that we have surpassed all our targets the very day we started, and we continue to exceed expectations and growth projections, even in a reduced commercial activities during a pandemic.
The chairman says the listing is another step in the company's plan to diversify its offerings.
The successful listing of FESCO not only affirms a solid foundation of long-term development, but also marks the beginning of a new phase of strong growth for our company in all aspects of its diversification plans.
In currency trading, the U.S. dollar continued to make gains today, selling for a record $154.74. The Canadian dollar closed at $124.20. The pound is going for $212.53, while the euro sold for $188.42. NCB Financial Group has changed its decision not to declare a dividend. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange today, NCB said directors will be asked to consider the declaration of a dividend at its board meeting scheduled for April 29. Earlier this month, the financial conglomerate said it would not recommend the declaration of a dividend at this time. The announcement came after the Bank of Jamaica reached an agreement which allowed deposit-taking institutions and financial holding companies to resume declaring and distributing dividends to shareholders owning more than 1% of issued shares. The JC Index gained 205 points today, and the Junior Market Index inched up 13 points. Among the winners were GMMB Group, 7.25%, Palace Amusement, Salada Foods, Sterling Investments, U.S. Dollar Shares, and Iron Rock Insurance. On the losing side were Margaritaville, Turks, Fosrich, First Rock Capital Holdings U.S. Dollar Shares, 1834 Investments, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. And that's the Financial Week. When we come back, news from overseas and our Bite of the Week.